Okay. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Science Material Group 4, want to present about material product and industry glass industry. Before we go further, let me introduce ourselves. We are from team marketing of AA Glass Incorporate. In, Incorporate. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Jamil. My meeting number is 202264 and my partner Anis Salikin Binti Ismail, meeting number 202535. So for the introduction of glass industry, glass manufacturing is a high volume process during which large substance quantity are transformed into commercial products and significant amount of non-renewable resources and energy. For example, thermal fuels and electrical power are consumed. Glass is the amorphous solid without the crystalline internal structure that is mainly product from natural raw material abundant in the earth. Such during the manufacturing process, elements from the raw material from the new random network that link together by oxygen drive. Thousands of reserve chemical processes, sorry, thousands of reserve chemical composition can be made in glass, and there are different formula but that chemical, electrical, optical, and thermal properties of the finished product. Even if glass manufacturing depends mainly on finished product process, have a common origin, the melting of required resources. Glass is a solid that lacks an order, internal structure. Glass has met into practical and decorate object since ancient and is still very important in application as district as building construction, houseware, and telecommunication. It is made by cooling molten ingredients such as silicon sand, which sufficiently to prevent the formation of visible crystals. So this is the characteristic. See, first is glass is don't have the order structure and it is don't have a definite shape. It is a posture solid, then it is isotopic and don't have characteristic heat of fusion, and it is don't have a sharp melting point. So for the product, we will continue to initially.
Okay, I will explain about four recent products in glass industries. What we have in glass industries now is flat glass, container glass, continuous filament, glass fiber, and domestic glass. The glass industry comprises four main sectors, as I said before, covering different glass products, applications, and markets. These sectors are very different, whether in terms of manufacturing process, products, markets, and economics of the sector and manufacturers, but they all transform raw materials into glass by a process of melting. The first one, flat glass, is used in buildings, windows, and facades and automotive industries, such as windscreens, side and rear side glazing, backlights, and sunroof. Flat glass is also used in solar energy applications, such as photovoltaic and solar thermal panels, as well as in urban and domestic furniture, appliances, mirrors, and greenhouses. Almost all flat glass is made by means of the float process. Second one, Container glass provides a wide range of glass packaging products for food and beverages, as well as flakons for perfumery, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical products to a European and worldwide customer base. The third one, continuous filament glass fiber, is mainly used for the production of composite materials as weight lightening reinforcement components. Continuous filament glass fiber applications are known as fiber reinforced polymers or glass reinforced plastics. The sector cover application for the automotive and transportation sectors such as airplanes, as well as for many other sectors including wind energy, agriculture, construction, communication, and electrical or also electric goods. Lastly, domestic glass comprises the manufacturing of glass tableware, cookware, and decorative items such as drinking glasses, bowls, plates, vases, and ornaments. Next. Okay, future business opportunities in glass industry. Today, glass is one of the most important materials, playing a key role both in sectors considered traditional, building, automotive, and packaging, and in more innovative ones. In the innovative sectors, glass in combination with specific substances is used for high-tech applications such as space exploration, medical research, optics, and telecommunications. Worldwide, the main glass sectors are as follows. Container glass, the largest world glass sector, which includes a large variety of products utilized in packaging, foods, beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, etc. Flat glass, the second largest, which includes products utilized in building, transport, and photovoltaic energy, continuous filament glass and glass wool for insulation, roofing, the reinforcement of composite materials, and others. Domestic and special glass, which includes respectively drinking glasses, an oven, dishes, and optical glass, electrical equipment screens, and lighting glass. The glass industry is essentially commodity industry in which over 80% of output is sold to other industries. Although ways of adding value to high volume products have been developed to ensure the industry remains competitive. Glass manufacturing is a high volume process during which large quantities of substances are turned into commercial products, consuming large amounts of non-renewable resources and energy in the process, thermal fuels and electrical power. Therefore, it is an energy and resource intensive industry, and like other similar industries such as iron and steel, aluminium, cement, pulp and paper, also chemical industries is central to supporting the transition towards higher levels of energy and materials efficiency, low carbon emissions, and increased resource productivity through the development of better performance towards sustainability. Enterprises in energy and material intensive industry sectors are central to reducing energy consumption in several ways, including technological improvement in manufacturing processes to reduce energy waste and recover lost energy, and recycling secondary raw materials originating from industrial and municipal waste. And others, the benefits from adding the solar cells should be significant. The windows in a skyscraper, for example, provide a vast vertical area directly exposed to the bright morning and early evening sunlight. In one analysis, the research team calculated that if all those windows contain the transparent solar cells, assuming just 5% efficiency, the power generated could fulfill more than a quarter of all electricity needs of the building. Moreover, the solar cells would block much of the infrared radiation, a large part of the sunlight that heats up a room. that effect could cut down on air conditioning needs, further reducing energy use and operating costs in the building. And all of those benefits would be gained without modifying the look of the building or obstructing views for the occupants. The cost of implementing the technology will vary with the application, solar cell efficiency, and other sectors. But okay, for instance, the processes used in fabricating for the new PVs are environmentally friendly and not energy intensive. Indeed, the coating are deposited at nearly room temperature, so the transparent PV can be laid down on essentially any type of surface. There's no need to use glass, which is costly component in the fabrication of conventional system. I hope you can understand what we have just uh, uh, present today, and that's it for us. That's it for this presentation. Thank you.